The origin has been shifted to the point 1, 1, and there has been no rotation involved. So we'll need to show how the equation, we will need to find out how this equation xy minus y squared minus x plus y equals to 0 transform. Meaning, so we have origin, initial origin, or you can say the old origin at O. Let's say at 0, 0 with respect to x and y axis. Fine. Then what we're going to do, we're going to shift the origin to this point 1, 1 such that we have the new origin at O prime with coordinates 1, 1, and this is going to be with respect to the new axis x and y. Fine. Now our goal will be to transform this equation, meaning what is the equation going to look like with respect to the new coordinate axis x and y, or we can say with respect to the new origin 1, 1. All we have to do is we're going to make this substitution. We're going to substitute the value of x with x plus h and the value of y with y plus k. Now here h comma k, that's nothing but the new origin. So the new origin, which is 1, 1, so that tells us that the value of h is going to be 1 and the value of k, that's going to be equals to 1. Fine. Now let's make the substitution. So we're going to replace the value of x with x plus 1 and the value of y with y plus 1 into our given equation. So now we have xy minus y squared minus x plus y equals to 0. So let's make the transformation. So we're going to replace x with x plus 1, y with y plus 1 minus y squared. So y will be y plus 1 whole squared minus x plus 1 plus y plus 1 equals to 0. So x plus 1 multiplied to y plus 1. So that's going to be xy plus x plus y plus 1 minus, so here we have y plus 1 whole squared, and we also have to multiply each term with negative. So we get negative y squared minus 2y minus 1. Then we're going to multiply negative 1 with x plus 1 to get negative x minus 1 plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Now here we will see that a couple of terms will get cancelled out. So here let's start with this positive 1, that this cancels with this negative 1. Then we have this particular negative 1 cancelling out with the positive 1. Here we have positive x cancelling with negative x, and then we have positive y, that makes positive 2y, which gets cancelled out with negative 2y. So all the y terms, x terms gets cancelled. So we are now left with xy, the first term, and then we have negative x squared. So xy minus x squared equals to 0. So this is going to be the transformed equation with respect to the coordinate axis x and y, or we can say with respect to the new origin at 1, 1.